Do you know that 40% of all forklift accidents involve a pedestrian? Pedestrians and forklift operators need to understand each other to keep the workflow moving without endangering each other in the process. Most of the time, pedestrians don't realize how dangerous forklifts can be. Mostly the rear end swings. SharpEagle's high-powered LED light systems provides a visual warning to pedestrians and to warehouse personnel. The high-intensity red beam pattern promotes more excellent workplace safety. Adding the SharpEagle's forklift arc safety light on the front and back and forklift red danger light at the sides of the forklift will help you create a 360-degree safety zone around your vehicle. Now you can make sure everyone is safe and secure in the workplace. A safe environment is a happier workplace. SharpEagle keeps you sharp and ahead.